Have you ever wondered what's really hiding deep inside your mattress, even when it looks clean on the surface? That invisible layer is exactly where most home cleaning tools fall short. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence, where we review products with clarity, balance, and real-world perspective. Today, we're looking at the Jigoo T600 bed vacuum cleaner, a dedicated mattress and fabric cleaning device designed for deeper hygiene. If you're someone who cares about sleep quality, allergies, or overall home cleanliness, this is especially relevant. The purchase link is in the description for easy reference. This device is built for one clear purpose: deep fabric sanitation. It's not a general-purpose vacuum. It focuses on mattresses, sofas, cribs, and upholstered surfaces where dust mites and fine particles tend to accumulate over time. Reason 1. Deep cleaning performance you can feel. At the core of the Jigoo T600 is a 700W motor delivering up to 15 kilopascals suction power, combined with a roller tapping system. This combination helps lift embedded dust and debris from fabric layers rather than just surface cleaning. In practical use, it provides a more noticeable freshness to mattresses and soft furnishings. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, users often highlight how the cleaning result feels more thorough compared to standard handheld vacuums. Reason 2. UVC and allergen reduction focus. The integrated 254nm UVC light system works alongside suction to target microscopic particles. While no device can guarantee total sterilization, this UV-assisted approach is designed to reduce allergens and improve hygiene conditions on sleeping surfaces. For households dealing with dust sensitivity or seasonal allergies, this becomes a meaningful advantage rather than a marketing feature. Reason 3. Smart detection and user feedback. One of the more modern touches is the smart dust sensor and display system, which gives real-time feedback on surface cleanliness. Instead of guessing when a surface is clean, the indicator helps guide usage more effectively. The dual cleaning modes, Smart Auto and Strong Tapping, also allow you to adjust intensity depending on fabric type and condition. Reason 4. Filtration and heat-assisted drying. The T600 uses a dual cyclone system with an advanced MIF filter capable of capturing particles as small as 0.3 micrometers. It is washable and reusable, which adds long-term value. Alongside this, the 140 degrees Fahrenheit warm air feature helps keep surfaces dry after cleaning, reducing moisture retention in fabrics, an often overlooked factor in mattress hygiene. Final verdict: the Jigoo T600 is not a general household vacuum, and that's important to understand. It is specialized, and that specialization is where it delivers value. Its limitations lie in its corded design and focused use case, but within its category, it offers a well-balanced mix of suction power, UV assistance, and smart feedback systems. This product is best suited for users who prioritize mattress hygiene, allergy management, or deeper fabric cleaning routines. If you're expecting a simple handheld vacuum replacement, this may feel too specialized, but if your goal is targeted cleanliness, it stands out with confidence. Take your time with the decision. If it aligns with your cleaning needs, the link in the description will help you explore more details.